Oh, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin Orborn. I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we got the Yechiel review and the paper TNF slash unboxing, because we have like 3 more Yechiels to unbox, but one of them was I already opened because I thought I got it for free, but I don't think I did. This one anyway. But yeah, here they are. These are a lot better in person than they are in pictures. I'm gonna have to say that. This like blue on the top with the red offset is fire, not gonna lie. I do really like that, but I don't know yet if I'm gonna keep one for the personal, considering I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pairs of V2s over there for the personal. Um, I might swap these out for Frozens if possible, if I could sell the Frozens, but if not, then I don't think I'll keep these. But they're pretty heats. And then we got a few more to open here real quick. And these will be for sale. I'm gonna start making that website that I was talking about this weekend, so you guys can purchase items off me if you'd like to, but I also just want to have like a website just for like documentation and all that. So I'm gonna have that done. Here's another Yechiel size 8. What were those emails for? Oh, Mr. Porter emailed me back. I think it's almost time for a new knife. This one's getting a little bit dull. Might have to upgrade from the butterfly to something different. But so another Yechiel size 4.5. If you guys watched the live cop, NSB cooked this one for me. A base size, thank God. I was hoping I got at least a few base sizes, so we ended up getting the 4.5, and then my 5.5 and 6.5 got canceled, unfortunately, but you win some, you lose some, you know what I mean? And I did hit those dunks, so I don't know why I keep getting multiple emails from Mr. Porter. I'm gonna have to check that out afterwards. And this is a size 9 Yechiel. Okay, so 4 Yechiels. I think a couple more are going to my mom's house, and then we got this came in, the paper Nupsy TNF Supreme. It's already open, so I guess I can open it and go through it. But here we are. This is the paper Nupsy. Oh, there was hella those things that you're not supposed to like eat or anything, those little beads. But we got the Supreme North Face on the side here. This is actually a pretty nice jacket. I'm not gonna lie. Got the Supreme North Face in here. Never Stop Exploring on the little hang tag there. And then we got the pockets in the front. I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty dope jacket. And of course it says Supreme on the hood there. I don't know how I feel about the paper itself, but the jacket quality obviously is good because it's North Face. So if you did want to pick up this piece, I would say it's pretty dope. I would recommend it if you do like the paper. These are the things that fell out. If you do like the paper design, though, I recommend this jacket. It seems very nice in quality. Of course, because it's North Face. Just like I got the Brain Dead North Face sweatshirt for Christmas, and that is heat. The quality on that is amazing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video of the TNF and those Yechiels. Obviously, I'm gonna have some more unboxings coming up for the Premiere, or not Premiere, but the Ray Gun Dunks, and then a few other things that I purchased. I'll probably just do a big unboxing. What is that? A little scab. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like down below. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you can stay up to date with all my videos. Thank you guys so much for the support recently. YouTube's been bugging out for some reason and keeps showing that I'm like over 2,000 subscribers, but on YouTube Studio I'm not, so kind of weird. But yeah, thank you guys for all the support recently. Really means a lot. And this has been your boy Gavin, or Born Hype, and I'm out, guys. Peace.